It's a quiet weekend today.
The kids look a little bored. We should do something fun.
Let me check the computer. I will look for travel ideas.
I hope we find a nice place.
Mia, I found the perfect plan.
Tell me, Leo.
A trip to the jungle.
Wow, that's amazing. The kids need fresh air.
Nature can teach them many things.
Let's plan this trip carefully. I will pack clothes, water, snacks, and essentials.
I will pack safety items. We must be careful. We must respect animals and follow safety rules.
The kids will follow our example. The kids are ready.
Let's go.
The road looks peaceful.
I love this feeling. This track is going to the jungle. Let's go. Look, we are in the jungle.
Everything looks greener.
Stay close together.
Safety first. I hear birds singing.
The sound is calming. Let's rest here for a while.
The view is lovely. The jungle looks magical.
The kids are learning patience. Let's take some photos here.
These will be wonderful memories. The water is so clear.
Let's sit near the stream. Look at this old tree.
It's huge. The sun is going down.
We should return soon. We are back at the car.
Time went so fast. The kids are sleeping now.
They must be tired.
What a beautiful day.
This jungle trip was amazing,
Nature taught the kids quietly.
and we made memories that will stay forever.